Hi there, students. Irrespective, an adverb. Irrespective of, an adverbial phrase. Okay, without considering something, without regard for something. So I am going to do this irrespective of how long it takes, regardless of how long it takes, without taking into account, without consideration of how long it's going to take me. Yeah, without regard to conditions, circumstances, consequences, whatever happens, I'm going to do this. Okay, so I'm going to do it irrespective. I'm going to do it irrespective of what everyone else thinks, regardless of what everyone else says. Okay, so irrespective, without taking into account. He carried on with what he was going to do, irrespective of what people said. Yeah? Irrespective of the weather, I am going to do this. Okay, so regardless of the weather. I think this word irrespective, this is where we get this word irregardless of, and I'm not very happy about irregardless of. Regardless of, yeah, I think they've taken irrespective and put it with regard, and irregardless of, unregardless of, I don't really like it, but irrespective, yes. Everybody should be treated in the same way, irrespective of their age, irrespective of their gender. Okay, all of these students are being taught in the same class, irrespective of their relative abilities. Yeah, that's the opposite of streaming. Okay, so the bell went, but the teacher continued the class irrespective until he had finished. Yeah, disregarding the bell. Yeah, not taking it into account. So, irrespective. Continuing to do something no matter what. Okay, so irrespective or irrespective of. He carried on irrespective, yeah, with complete disregard to any other matter, any other thing. He did it irrespective of my wishes, yeah, ignoring my wishes, discounting what I said. Yeah, I think maybe people need, some people in our society need to buy things irrespective of what they are, because that's what makes them feel good members of this society. Irrespective of the weather conditions, we are going to do this tomorrow. Yeah, I want you to be here at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, irrespective of what happens. Just make sure you're here. Okay, so yeah, when he goes to the supermarket, he always buys the cheapest items, irrespective of how bad the quality might be. Okay, so irrespective, not taking something into account. Yeah, if you say something happens irrespective of something, it's not going to be affected or should not be affected by that thing. Yeah, so healthcare should be available to everybody, irrespective of their ability to pay for it or not. Yeah, basic human rights should be accorded to people irrespective. Yeah, without taking into account any other thing. These are basic human rights and should be followed irrespective of who they are, these rights are being given to. Okay, so irrespective. It doesn't, in face of everything. So irrespective, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5, maybe a 6. I think informally, yeah, I guess you could use it informally. and I don't care what happens. I'm going to do this, and I don't care who's against it. I don't care, and nothing's going to stop me. Yeah, I'm going to be heedless or regardless of this. Yeah, regardless, probably the same formality as well. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, respectivus, having a regard for, respectus, from re, again or back, and specio, to observe or to look at. So to look back or to look again. I'm not exactly sure with the link. So, well, I try to make my videos every day, irrespective of what else is going on. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Irrespective of.